Hello friends, welcome to the magical world of Photoshop, and today I'm going to show you how can we make your image clean in Photoshop with a single adjustment layer. Yes, single adjustment layer. So first of all, click the adjustment layer icon and choose hue and saturation, and then change the blend mode into overlay. First of all, understand what is hue and what is saturation. Hue is the color, saturation is the amount of color, and the lightness is the brightness of the color. I hope you understand. So let's increase the saturation and decrease the hue and decrease lightness and collapse the layer, decrease the opacity, and now you can see the hues different. Here is the before and here is the after. The big difference, the hues different. This is the before and this is the after. I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much.